Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Tag Manager Preview for UI event tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Tag Manager website. Sign in to your Google Tag Manager account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the appropriate container for your website. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the Preview button. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your website's URL. Type the URL of the website you want to preview, then click on the Start button. Your website will now open in a new tab, along with the Tag Manager debug panel at the bottom. Navigate through your website in this new tab to engage with various UI elements. As you interact with elements, watch the debug panel to see which tags are triggered. Pay attention to the information displayed, including event names and data layer variables. If your tags are functioning as expected, you're ready to move on to the next step. To exit the preview mode, return to the original tab and click on the Leave Preview button. This action disables the preview mode for your container. If you need to make adjustments, return to the Tag Manager interface and fine-tune your tags. Repeat the preview process to ensure the changes work correctly before publishing your container. This completes the process for downloading Google Tag Manager Preview for UI event tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.